In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Royal Q app with Binance through API binding, ensuring a seamless experience in managing your trading strategies. Let's get started by making sure your Binance account is fully prepared. Before we dive into the integration process, it's crucial that your Binance account is verified and that you have two-factor authentication enabled. This can be via Google Authenticator or SMS. It's an essential security measure and a prerequisite for creating API keys. Now let's go ahead and open the Royal Q app to get the necessary IP addresses that you need to allow in Binance. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Home section and find the API binding option. From there, you'll choose Binance. There should be a Copy IP button which provides you with the trusted IP address or addresses you must allow in Binance. This IP address is unique to Royal Q and is necessary for the API binding process. Go ahead and copy that IP address now, as you'll be needing it shortly. With the IP address ready, let's create an API key in Binance. Log into your Binance account via the web or mobile app. Tap on your profile and head to API Management. Here, you'll need to create a new API key. Give it an identifiable name, such as Royal Q Bot, so you can easily recognize it later. During this process, you'll be asked to complete various security verifications, such as confirming an email code or entering a 2FA code. This ensures that the API key creation is secure and authenticated. Now that you have created the API key, it's time to set up the necessary permissions. This step is critical for ensuring the security of your accounts. Make sure not to enable withdrawals. Never activate this permission. You'll want to enable spot and margin trading permissions if Royal Q requests spot trading capabilities. Be sure to follow the exact instructions provided by Royal Q. Furthermore, enable the option to restrict access to trusted IPs only, and this is where you'll paste the IP address or addresses you copied from the Royal Q app earlier. This restriction ensures that the API key's access is tied specifically to Royal Q's trusted servers, further securing your account. You're almost done. At this point, Binance will show you the API key and secret. It's vital that you copy both immediately, as the secret key is displayed only once. Make sure you store them securely in a password manager or another safe place. If you lose the secret, you'll have to delete the API key and start again. Once the keys are stored, return to the Royal Q app. Go back to the API binding section and choose Binance once more. This is where you'll paste the API key and secret into their respective fields. After inputting them, click Bind or Confirm. Royal Q might prompt you for a 2FA code, so complete that as well. Finally, let's confirm and test the integration. Royal Q should now show that your Binance account is bound. To verify, check your Royal Q asset page to ensure the bot can see your Binance balances. As a good practice, it's advisable to start with a small allocation for your first trade. This allows you to confirm that everything is functioning correctly before committing more significant resources. And there you go, you're all set with binding Royal Q to Binance. Happy trading, and remember, always keep your trading and security principles in check.